Hi there everyone, welcome to Global Wealth Funds tutorial. First, copy your sponsor's referral link. Let's go to Messenger and copy our sponsor's referral link. And let's go back to our Web3 browser, and here I'm using Tokenpocket. And see to it you have enough Polygon. Let us click Discover and paste the sponsor's referral link at the search box. Click Paste. Click the highlighted blue link. Click Do Not Show again and continue. Click Purchase Rank. Now see to it you have the right sponsor and then click Continue. And let's start clicking the Level 1 Add to Cart button. And add to cart Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 5, and Level 6. Well, you can even add more depending on your budget. Alright, let's go up. Let's click Checkout and scroll down. Here it shows I have insufficient balance. And yes, you can also try to use USDT for payment, or better use Polygon for payments. And once you have enough Polygon in your wallet, the Pay button appears. Just simply click the Pay button and click Confirm. Congratulations, you're already upgraded. And now let's scroll down and let's go to New Stake area. Let us remove the default amount and replace it with the GWF amount we want to stake, and let's click Stake. Here you can use any payment option like Polygon or USDT. Or if you have GWF on your balance, well then you can also use GWF for your staking payments. And let's click Approve, enter password, and there we have our staking is now active. And you can always add more stakes as you wish. And here you can always see the number of days you can make accruals. And now let's go back to the main menu. Our main menu is the Matrix poll. And let's try Hyperloop. And now let's purchase HDMP. And the minimum amount is 100. Let's scroll down, click Add to Cart button. And for now, let us use GWF Token to pay. Alright, let's click Pay. And let's click Approve. Approve again. And click Confirm. Enter your password. Confirm again. And yes, our purchase is successful. And here we have 5 active shares, and you can also buy more if you want. Sky's the limit.